Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to fix sound problem in HP NV14 laptop. When we install Windows, most of the laptops directly get the drivers such as sound drivers and other drivers. There are some laptops that don't get the drivers directly, among them HP NV14 laptop. So how to solve this problem easily, I will show you. We will go to search option and right here Windows Update, click here and update all driver. From here we scroll down, here you see click optional update and you click both driver and download and install. Here you see the problem is solved. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you get benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.